Hi, I'm Felicia with Niffers at the Lake, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Lake Martin lemonade. We're going to start with a 16-ounce glass, and it's going to be equal parts of tequila. My choice is Jose Cuervo, but you can get whichever one you would like in it. But you must definitely use Corona. We also use a limeade and Sprite. It's all equal parts, and it's 1.5 ounces of each one. So we're going to start with our tequila, and then we're going to move on to our Corona. And next is our limeade. It's good if you use your jigger, because then you make sure you get the equal parts and it'll turn out just right. All right. And all we have left is Sprite. All right. And this drink is stirred, not shaken. You don't want to flatten that Sprite out. And we're going to garnish it with a lime. And there you have it, a Lake Martin lemonade. Come on down to Niffers at the Lake and come try one of our Lake Martin lemonades just for yourself.